guys do not know what struggle is today. Like, we really did struggle, and we was pretty much, we were traumatized, and we didn't even know we were traumatized.
Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming to do another story time. If you guys actually enjoy my story time, definitely leave me a comment down in the comment section. Let me know how much you enjoy my story time. So by the title, you guys, I am going to be talking about the time we had to take a bath with rainwater. Now guys, this is a childhood story, so if you guys want to hear that story, make sure you stay tuned to the video. Now before we get to the video, you guys, I want to encourage you guys to subscribe to my channel. If you guys enjoy watching my videos, my makeup videos, my story time, my cleanup videos, or any videos that I bring to you guys, please subscribe to my channel. You guys, don't just watch my video and not subscribe. All you doing is supporting me and supporting me to bring more videos to you guys. So yes, you guys, I will very much appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I drop a video. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna give you a second to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So by now, you guys, you should have hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell. So I want to again thank you guys for joining the family, and also if you already are subscribed, thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. And yeah, you guys, so let's get to the video. Okay guys, so as you heard in the beginning and by the title, you guys know that I am going to be talking about a childhood story, the time that we had to take a bath with rainwater. So you guys, my childhood story, I at the time was living with my grandmom, and if a lot of you don't know, because I do have a lot of new subscribers, I was raised by my grandmother. My grandmother raised me because my mom was young when she had me. My mom was 14. My grandma not only raised me, she raised my brother and my aunt, and my aunt was adopted. So we had a house full of people, let's just say that. So and my grandmom, she was a hard-working woman. She worked a lot. But even though she worked, she couldn't make ends meet. She could not afford every single thing that we needed. So you guys, childhood story. At the time, you guys, if you don't know, I am from New Orleans, Louisiana. I was born, I was raised there. So yes, I am from New Orleans, Louisiana, and at this time we were living in a house uptown. I believe it was the 13th wall. We was living in the 13th wall, and we were living on General Taylor Street. So remember this house. We was living on General Taylor Street. We was living in this really big 3-bedroom shotgun house. And if you guys don't know what a shotgun house is, it's like a house that pretty much don't have any walls and it goes straight back. You know what? I don't even believe this house was a shotgun house. It really wasn't a shotgun house. But anyway, we lived in this 3-bedroom house. It was a house full of us. I ain't even gonna name everybody that lived in the house. It was a house full of us. So we lived in this house, and at times, like I said, my grandma worked. She worked really hard, but at times she didn't have enough money to pay for the bills. So at times our lights was off, our water was off, and telephone, everything was off pretty much. Now mind you guys, when we grew up, we, like, even when our lights or our water was off, no one ever knew that any of these things was off, because my grandma was super duper strict. Like, her house had to be clean no matter what. Like, people would come to our house, and again, they would not know that our lights or our water or anything was off, because we cleaned the house before it got dark. And it always rained in New Orleans. Rain was like normal in New Orleans, so we always catch rainwater when our water was off. So we'll catch rainwater, and we will use the rainwater to either take a bath, God, my phone is ringing. What's up, babe? What's up? Okay, guys, sorry about that. So as I was stating that, I totally forgot where I left off at, but as I was saying that people would not really know that our lights or our water was off, because when we used to have guests, and it was very seldom that we had guests, but when we did have guests, our house was super duper clean. You know, my grandma was very, very strict about her house. My grandma worked all the time, and she didn't want to come home to a dirty house. So we cleaned up all the time, and we would clean up before it got dark. And as I stated, that it used to rain a lot in New Orleans, and we used to have these buckets that we used to catch rainwater with. So we would use the rainwater to clean up, take a bath, and also sometimes to drink. Yeah, drink. Crazy, right? So yeah, we would catch this rainwater, and we would separate the rainwater. We would separate it for our bath. We would separate it to clean up, like to wash the dishes and stuff. And we would also separate it to drink. And before we drank it, you guys, we used to boil it and put it in, put it in some jugs, and we used to drink it like that. So yeah, you guys, we used to actually have to take a bath with rainwater because we didn't have any water, and we used to have to wash our clothes by hands. It was times that we maybe went to the washer or dryer, but we had to wash our clothes in the rainwater. And you guys, we had got so used to it to where it was nothing for us. We used to catch the rainwater. We used to bring it in. We used to take it to flush the toilet. You guys, we were struggling, like seriously. Like, these kids do not know what struggle is today. Like, we really did struggle, and we were traumatized, and we didn't even know we were traumatized. It's the crazy thing. Like, our lights used to go off, and we used to sit there and have, story time, movie time, like not movie time because we had no TV, but we used to have like story time, and we used to do actual fun things in the dark. Like, seriously, we did not even know that we were living poor. I mean, we knew we were poor, but like, we had fun when, things happened. If our lights went off, we did things. Only thing, we were definitely embarrassed by the water situation though, for real though, because we used to have all these buckets around the house, and like our friends would ask us like, why you have all these buckets around the house? Like, oh, it's a leak, that's probably why. But I can honestly say that we maybe was embarrassed by the water situation, because we used to have to we literally had to take a bath in the bucket, you guys. So this is what we used to do. So when it rained, we would take the bucket and we would put the bucket in the tub, and we would all like take a bath. First my grandma, and if we had enough rainwater, she would like pull it in a tub, like stop the tub up, pull it in the tub, and one bucket of it she would actually boil to make hot water and make the water warm if we had enough. And mind you guys, the tub maybe was this much full, but it don't even matter, we took a bath though. So if we had enough rainwater, if we had enough that we used to pull them in jugs and stuff, we would then pull them in a tub and take like a bath with it. But if we didn't have enough, we just used to take a bath out of the bucket. So we would literally put the bucket in the tub, and we would take a bath, like a quick little bath, and get out. I can tell you one thing, we never went to school dirty. My grandma didn't play that. We didn't go to school dirty. We didn't go to school stink. we didn't have like the finest clothes and this and that, but we had stuff that made it do, and we were good. Like seriously, we were good. These kids today, these motherfuckers, you damn near gotta beat them to take a bath. Like, why are you walking around here musty? Like, go take a bath. There's no way we should have to tell someone to go take a bath. These teenagers be acting like they don't want to take a damn shower, which I think is crazy. Like, taking a shower for us when we were young, like, we would have appreciated something like that, to take a shower, because we didn't have water all the time to take a shower. We had to take a shower with rainwater. So, like, nowadays, people, these teenagers just do not appreciate anything. We didn't have any of that. We didn't have cell phones. We didn't have, and you guys, I'm not that old. I'm pretty young. And you know, we just grew up in the struggle. We grew up, and I can tell you one thing, I can go anywhere, any place, and I can survive like with no problem because of my upbringing. So yeah, like these kids today, they just too soft for me. Because they need this, they need that, they need cell phones, they need lights. Like, their whole damn life will be gone without this stuff. But we didn't have none of that. So we had to make do with what we had. And we didn't have water. So my grandma found a way for us to take a bath, wash our clothes, and do what we need to do to survive. And I appreciate every single thing my grandmama did for us. To get us the life that we have now. And every single day, anything that I have, I appreciate it. Appreciate it, because I knew what I did not have when I was young. So yeah, you guys, that was my childhood story of us had to take a bath in rainwater. And I hate the fact that my auntie not here, because she'd be like, oh, we were traumatized. And if she see this video, hopefully she comment down below. She'd be like, we were traumatized. Yes, we were traumatized, I can tell you that. But guess what? We had some fun times. Those was probably the funnest times I had when we were young. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you thought of my traumatizing story of us had to take a shower or take a bath in the bucket using rainwater. I think that I just talked a whole lot. So yeah, you guys, definitely let me know your thoughts. Let me know if some things that maybe was traumatizing to you as a child, or some things that you did that your family had to do when you were young that maybe help you that in today's situation, like for survival. Like, I'm pretty sure everyone has a story. So let me know your story down in the comment section. Let me know if you have a traumatizing story. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. Yeah. I thank you guys for watching my story. And yeah, you guys, again, just leave me a comment down in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts on my story. And also, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you thumbs it up. And definitely, you guys, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Yes, make sure you guys are subscribed. Don't sit here and watch my video if you're not subscribed. Support. Yes, support my channel, you guys. I bring videos to you guys three days a week. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. So definitely subscribe so you can get all those videos every week. Support me, support Miss Keedy Baby, support everything that I'm doing. And better yet, you guys, go over to Instagram and follow me at Miss Keedy Baby. Yes, I am very active on my Instagram page, so definitely go follow me at Instagram. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.